Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the most crucial formatting keyboard shortcuts when using Microsoft Word. These shortcuts are designed to help you work faster and more efficiently with your document. Most of the time we use the mouse to select commands from a menu or toolbar, but using keyboard shortcuts can save you time and effort. Some of these keyboard shortcuts may be familiar to you, while others might not be as well known to you. It is my hope that by the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how to use these keyboard shortcuts in order to get your work done faster and more efficiently. So the first shortcut key that I want to show you is holding Control, then you tap on I. So this shortcut key will help you to italicize your selected text. You click here, then hold on Shift, then click where you want your text to end. For me is here, so my text is now highlighted. Now to italicize my text, what I'm going to do now is to hold on Control, then tap on I, like that. So as you can see, my text now is italicized. The second shortcut key is to hold CTRL+B. So this shortcut key will help you to bold your selected text. For example, I want to bold from here, maybe from here up to here. So what I'm going to do first is click here, then Shift, then come to here. This is where I want to add my selection. Then from there, I click on Control, hold on Control, then B, tap on B. So as you can see, now my text is bolded. Then the shortcut key number 3 that I'm going to show you is how you can underline your selected text. Now the shortcut key that we are going to use is CTRL+U. CTRL+U. So to do that, maybe for example I want to underline from here up to here. So again, what I'm going to do, just click there, then Shift, then click here, and my text is selected. Then to underline the text, then I hold on Control, then U. So number 4 on the list is how now to align a paragraph to the right. So what I'm going to do, I click anywhere there, I hold Control, then I tap on Alt. As you can see, my paragraph now is on the right hand side. To make it on the center, again I click on Control, then this time I tap on E, as you can see. And to justify the paragraph, so what I'm going to use is to hold on Control, then J. As you can see, everything is justified. Then to move the paragraph on the left, again I use a command Control, hold on Control, then L, tap on L. As you can see, now my paragraph is on the left hand side. So number 5 on the list, I'm going to show you the shortcut key is to use Control+Shift, Control+Shift, and this Control+Shift will help us to increase or decrease the font size of a text that we want. So for example, let me scroll down a little bit here. For example, let's assume I want to increase the font size for this text from here up to here. So first of all, what I'm going to do is click here, then hold on Shift, then click here where my selection ends. Then from there, I hold on Control+Shift. Then this time to increase the font, I continue tapping on the greater than sign on my keyboard. So like this, as you can see, it is increasing. To decrease the size of the font, so what we are going to do is again now tap this time on the less than sign on the keyboard, like this. So as you can see, it is decreasing now. Let's now assume I want now to copy this font to another text. Maybe I want to copy this font to some text here. So now this brings us to the cut key, which is number 6, to Shift and C. So what we are going to do first, this is already selected, so we hold on Shift, Control, then you tap on copy. So our font is copied. Now I go to where I want to increase the font or to apply this font. So maybe I want to apply from here. So I just click there, then Shift to select maybe up to here. Then to apply, I just again click on Shift, Control, and this time tap on V to paste. And as you can see, now my font now is copied. The final formatting shortcut that I want you to be aware of is how to reveal or hide formatting marks in Microsoft Word. Occasionally, when using Microsoft Word, you can find yourself in a situation where you have applied a lot of formatting and are unsure of why your text looks a specific way. You can display the formatting marks if that ever occurs, or if you need to examine how your document is being formatted. So what you do is Control, Shift, then asterisk symbol. As you can see, now my document has these marks. As you can see, we have this one, then we have this one. So these decimals, these ones, these represent the spaces in this document. So for this one, it represents a new paragraph. It shows you where there is a new paragraph. As you can see, it is applied here, here, here. So it shows you like that. So that is how your document is being formatted. Now to hide these marks, then tap on Shift, Control, then tap on asterisk mark again. So by continuous use of these well-designed shortcut keys while formatting your Microsoft Word document will save you time and effort, and eventually you will become more faster while doing your work. If you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell on to never miss on my future videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.